Alright, we're easily on the most dangerous section. Adding, subtracting, and then multiplying. Alright, they look very similar. When we look at 26 through 33, these are all add and subtract. How can you tell? They've got addition and subtraction signs. That sounds silly to bring up, but many students will miss this on the test tomorrow. So be aware of what you're doing. Adding, subtracting, multiplying. Be aware. So, adding up here, I've got 4x plus x. That gives me 5x. 8y minus 10y, negative 2y. For number 27, 2m plus 3m gives me 5m. Negative 7 plus 4, negative 3. 28, 2m plus 4 gives me 2m, or negative 2m rather, plus 4 gives me 2m. 3p minus 4p, minus 7p rather, gives me negative 4p. And then negative s plus 5s equals 4s. On this next one, 2by plus by equals 3by. My b's, there are no other b's. And then 19 minus 7 is 12y. Be very careful. Notice none of my exponents are changing. Alright? When you had this back in the day, if we had 3x plus 2x is equal to 5, you always said 5x is equal to 5. This exponent did not change. Some students, when we get to this particular thing, because we start messing with exponents, feel like the exponent should change. But remember, it didn't change here when we were solving for x. We kept that exponent the same. It's not going to change here. So when you take and combine things, example, 4x plus x. This is not 5x squared, it's just 5x's. We have 4x here, we add another x here, 5x. So be careful on that. Now that we're to negatives, two ways to do it. I always rewrite this. So I'm subtracting these values, which means I'm going to add 10p cubed, and I'm going to subtract p squared. And this allows me to combine just a touch easier. I've got 12p cubes plus 10 more, gives me 22 of them. And I'm taking one away, take another away, so I've got 2p squareds and they're negative. Here, rewriting again, negative 5r squared plus 10. So that's going to give me negative 3r squared and plus 4. Rewrite plus 2y squared minus 8y plus 6. So 3 plus 2 gives me 5y squareds. Negative 8 minus, or negative 7 minus 8, negative 15y. And then plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. On this next one, rewrite. So I've got 3k4 minus 2k cubed plus 7. So I've got 4 minus plus 3 is 7k4. Minus 1 minus 2 gives me minus 3. And then 7 plus 6 is 13. Now we get to the distribution. Be careful on your multiplication. Make sure we're accurate. I'm going to take it, distribute 15 m5. And then we've got 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. M cubed times m is m4. Take that 2 and distribute it. 2 times 10 is negative 20. N squared times n is n cubed. 2 times 7 is going to give us 14. And then the n squared comes along for the ride. Negative 5. I've got 8 w's multiplied together. Positive 5. And I've got 6 w's multiplied together. And then I've got negative 10. 5 times 2 is negative 10. And then 5 w's multiplied together. Number 37, you can take and distribute each one of these to the 4m squared n, doesn't matter. I'm going to take it and distribute it to the right, or to the left rather, because it's easier for me to take one thing and continue to go than it is to take 3 things and do them one at a time. Doesn't matter, you can do it either way. So negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. We've got 4 m's multiplied together and 1 n. Minus 4, I've got 3 m's, 2 n's, and then this last one, plus 4, I've got 2 m's and 3 n's. Fantastic. On this one, make sure we take each piece. I'm going to stop after each piece. T squared plus 2t, and then I take that negative 5 and distribute as well. Minus 5t minus 10. So t squared minus 3t minus 10. That's number 38. W times W is W squared. W times 6. 1 times W. And then 1 times 6. Again, combine those two middle terms up. And there we go. Remember, take these problems slow on the test. Easy to make a mistake on them. So you want to go slow, you want to be accurate.